Charlie Schaumburg here, talking to you about why Shopcraft is a better value for your customers. First of all, we have an all-welded design. The tube joints are welded all the way around on all four sides for rigidity and to eliminate infestation. Where the cross tubes are welded in here, we maintain the same spacing as every other slide, so we're not sacrificing space for product. The side panel has a vertical tube running top to bottom, which is welded to each slide and effectively cutting the length of the slide in half so our customers don't get broken slides. I should say your customers don't. The casters, we don't drill holes through the tubing. We weld a caster mounting plate on here to each corner of the rack. It does two things for us. First of all, it greatly strengthens the base of the rack, and it enables us to use a much shorter fastener here to bolt the caster on, which also holds everything right and tight. This rack will be as sturdy in 10 years from today as it is now. These are some of the reasons why Shopcraft gives your customer better value.